Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading. Today's the 19th of January. This is T for sympathy. I took two losses today and I'm feeling so bad. Okay, the thing is, the trades were good trades. There was nothing wrong with it. The only thing I did wrong was I probably risked a little more than usual. Isn't that weird? Every time you decide you're going to risk slightly more, than your next few trades are all bad ones. Let me just show you. It's a nice strategy. I'm not going to give up the strategy because of two losses. I can actually try and talk this thing over, and you'll actually see it's quite a decent strategy. So what we have here on the 4 hourly, this is the pound, this is the trade that I lost. So prices are coming up toward our nice trend line there. Yeah, if you go to the hourly, then you can also see that the trend is valid. Yeah, we have a valid trend line there on the hourly chart. And then on my 15-minute, what I am waiting for here is a crossover of this MACD. So we know that this is a nice trend lines coming from the 4 hourly and on the hourly. So everything is hunky-dory. But we don't have a crossover yet. And this is 7:45 in the morning. And I've been at this since 7:45 this morning. And it's now, sometimes trading is very, very tough. You have to accept that there are going to be easy days and there are going to be hard days. And today was a hard day for me. So let's just move this slightly forward here and see how things go. So here we go. We are moving up. Okay, so this is my entry here. We have a crossover. And now what I can do is put in my short position here below that area. And what I had was a stop above the 200 moving average. And for risk management, I was looking at a 1:1.5 there. So this was the trade idea. And this was my first loser. Let me just show you how this thing played out quickly. So I get triggered in right there and then starts moving up immediately against me. So when that starts happening, when trade starts moving against you immediately after you get in, already you're feeling, not good for the day. And this is now 10:30 in the morning. So you get your trigger about 9:30, 10:30 you come back to the chart and it's against you. This is what happened today. And then moving forward, and nothing, just a stop out there at about, let me see, about 1 o'clock this afternoon. And that's not the only one that stops me out. I'll show you another one. Let me just play this one out in its entirety, so that you can just see how this thing goes throughout the period here. So we're going. So I'm already stopped out. And then eventually, if I had a bigger stop, I would be a little bit better off at the moment. So that was that one. And then another trade that I've taken today that was another loser was on the New Zealand dollar. So how did this one work out? I think I took the trade round about here. So let us do this properly quickly. Delete that and start this replay section about in, I think it was round about here this morning. Okay, so again, what we have is our 4 hourly chart. I'm always looking at the 4 hourly chart to guide me and see what's happening. With this one, maybe there was a little bit of a mistake from my side, because there was a trend line at the bottom here, a nice support level, and I am looking to go short based on that sort of a trend line coming down there. So when I go to the 15-minute chart here, so we are already in a nice area. Let me show you the MACD. So all I'm looking for here now is a crossover at this decent trend coming down. Yeah, but we need to remember that I had this line coming up as well, so that was probably something I should look into a bit more when there is a 4-hourly support level or 4-hourly resistance level that's in the way of your trade. So what I'm looking for is a crossover of the MACD. So here we go, we are looking. No crossover yet. Here we go. So we're getting the crossover here. So this is my entry point here. So what I usually do in a case like this now is I would draw another trend line up here from the bottoms to the top there, and then now that I have the crossover, I would then use the short position. So underneath here, make sure it breaks through the trend, and then the stop is roundabout up there. Yeah, so that's my basic entry with my 1:1.5. So that was the trade idea that I've had that I had. Yeah, so down there, a little bit higher up. So that's my trade idea. So let's see what happened to me today based on that. So there we go. We are triggered in, and then almost immediately prices goes up against me, and I get stopped out. So there was 2 losing trades today. Absolutely horrible. The thing is, after the 2 losing trades, there are ways that I use to mitigate the situation. So I've got 2 losing trades there, 0.5% each, so I'm down 1%. So at this point in time here, we are short because of that crossover. Yeah, so I remained short all throughout the day, looking for opportunities. So I'll be going to the 5-minute chart now, looking for opportunities to try and get short. Let us just forward this and see if there were any opportunities later on to go, to continue my trade idea. So I could only go short once I am below the 200 moving average. So it always remained above the moving average, and then here we go, we are below the moving average here now. So now I could be looking for a pullback, but everything has to be below, so the pullback is invalid here. So 2 losses for me for today. Yeah, how did I take it? I didn't take it very well. The thing is, because I think it was on the pound here, there was an opportunity for me to actually get short in this area here. So I'm looking at a situation like this, somewhere here, somewhere below there. I'm looking for shorts with let me show you, roundabout in that area. Things starts going short, and then on my 1-minute chart, anything, yeah, like any of these shorting opportunities, this is a shorting opportunity I could have taken, the one up here, and then also this one here, and I missed both of them. So I could have 0.5% on 2 of those trades would have easily made me at least 1% for today, but instead I lost 1%. Also, just to show you that it's not just all about winning here. It is one of the best quotes that I got from a trader when it comes to losing is that the best loser wins. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found any value here, please subscribe and leave some comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.